AWS Artifact. It is a self-service, audit artifact retrieval portal that provides customers with on-demand access to AWS compliance documentation and AWS agreements. Customers can use AWS Artifact reports to download AWS security and compliance documents, such as AWS ISO certifications, payment card industry or PCI, and system and organization control or SOC reports. AWS Artifact reports can be used by all AWS customers to assess and validate the security and compliance of the AWS infrastructure and services that they use. Customers can provide the AWS audit artifacts to their auditors or regulators as evidence of AWS security controls. Thank you. If you want to know more about various AWS services and AWS certification courses, reach out to us on the following links.